Today, we're checking out ChatPlayground AI, an AI browser copilot and prompt engineering workflows that operate directly in your browser. I know that sounds hard, but it's a simple node-based system with drag and drop functionality. If you don't want to create your own, you can choose from over 100 pre-made, highly specialized prompts developed by the ChatPlayground AI team. The use cases are literally endless. There are workflows for customer support, business proposals, social media posts, industry research, grammar assistance, whatever you need. And if you're ever feeling stuck with a question, you can just take a screenshot and ask the AI for help. Another fantastic feature is the reading and writing assistant that integrates with your browser. Just highlight some text, right-click, and your custom AI assistant will jump to the rescue. Combine that with the AI document editor and watch your writing transform. In fact, the more you use it, the better it gets at understanding your unique tone and style. Did someone say network effects? ChatPlayground has so many tools to choose from, so let's take a run through some of them. You can create high-quality images, chat with dense PDFs or YouTube videos to quickly research and analyze it. But with ChatPlayground AI, you'll always get up-to-date answers for anything and everything. Access to every single AI model out there for just one low price. I'd jump on this limited time deal while you still can.